Hello everyone, it's Larry Warden here. Today I'm going to show you how to barbecue the most cheesy hot dogs ever in less than 10 minutes. In barbecuing your cheesy hot dogs, you want to make sure that your heat is on low when you're barbecuing wieners. So I'm going to keep it probably about 300 degrees or less. We're now going to put the wieners on our grill, which has been preheated on low heat. One thing about cooking your wieners for the cheesy hot dogs is every few minutes rotate them for nice even heating. Just going to open up the grill, and our wieners are starting to shape up. Looks like they're starting to cook pretty good. Just the heat's on low, and I just kind of keep rotating them. I'm going to let them cook for a few more minutes. Here's the important part of making your cheesy hot dogs. Now that your wieners are pretty well cooked, you take your bun. I'm going to put the wiener into the bun and put the bun on the grill. The buns are on the grill, and then we're going to take our cheese and put it on top of the wieners. We've now put the wieners inside the buns and put the cheese on top of the wieners to melt. So now we're going to close the top, and we're going to let those cheesy dogs get real cheesy with that warm cheese melting on top of the wieners. Looks like our 10 minutes is pretty well up. I'm going to open the grill, and I can see that the cheese is all melted, and our wieners look cooked, and the bun has been toasted up. And there we go, folks. Larry's cheesy hot dogs, barbecued to perfection, all in less than 10 minutes. So try it. Remember, what do you think of Grampy's cheesy hot dogs, honey?
These are the best cheesy hot dogs.
They're the best cheesy hot dogs, she says. Okay, let's go in and try them. How was Grampy's cheesy hot dogs? What do they taste like, honey?
They taste really, really good.
Good girl. I'm glad you like our Grampy's cheesy hot dogs.